Just as a little postscript to these videos, if you ever have one of these mowers, the f2890s, Kubotas, I mean they're great mowers, but they do work hard and they're prone to some wear and tear. But if you ever see masses of transmission oil under here, what's happened in your axle here, there's an inner and an outer bearing. The bearings collapse and then the seal leaks and then it blows everywhere, you lose all your oil, you can't drive it, so you have to sort of skull drag it onto a trailer to get it back to your workshop. It's a little bit tricky pulling the whole axle part out, but not overly. Once you get it apart, it's really simple. A couple of bearings, I think they're even single raised. I don't even think they're Timken tape. I haven't done one for a while, but I remember they've got a spacer in there, so there's sort of, from memory, I don't think they're Timken tape bearings. But once you rebuild them, put them back on, like I usually do them in a couple of hours, so it's not too bad. So that's the only other big deal that's happened to these things. The 3-cylinder motor, well, I've never seen anything so robust. These little Kubota motors are very good. So it's all the running gear, you know. So if you keep a bit of maintenance up, your transmission, keep it nice and clean, all the oil, clean air, clean fuel, the rest is easy. Anyway, signing off. Bye bye and good luck.